everyone, welcome back to our channel Developers for You. In today's video, we are going to learn SQL statement using XAMPP, which means we will be working with MySQL in PHP MyAdmin. So we will cover in this video like select, where, wildcards, between, null handling, distinct, aggregate functions, and order by, all with real MySQL queries. So make sure your XAMPP server is running and PHP MyAdmin is open. So let us start. So this is our dashboard, or this is our PHP MyAdmin XAMPP. First open XAMPP and start Apache and MySQL. Then open your browser and type localhost PHP MyAdmin. Now let's create a database and table for practice. So let us create a database and table. So starting with create database like company. After that, next we have to use company. Okay, click go. Okay, so we have created a database called company and we are going to use that company. Okay, then after that we are going to create a table here. Create table employees within open bracket. Let us go with ID, that is integer, auto increment, primary key, comma. Next sentence, we are going to take name, varchar, that is characters, that will be like 50, and then use comma. And next line, department, use smaller. If you are following small letter means you can follow up till the end. And varchar 50, comma, salary is integer, so salary must be a number, right? So next, use age as integer, and email or whatever, email as varchar 100. Okay, and then close the bracket and close with semicolon, and then click go. So here we didn't select database, right? So then, so after creating the table, we got the answers. So after that, if we click into employees, we can see ID, name, department, salary, age, and mail. Okay. So after that, click on the same and go for SQL and start typing, like insert some data for our understanding. Okay. So insert into like employees name, department, salary, age, and mail. Okay. As they are mail, we have to type completely as email because we have typed that as an email in our table. Okay. So values, and then in, in the next, open the bracket, type the names like Ahmed, close the bracket, close the name, and IT, comma, their salaries or 50,000, comma, 25 or whatever age, and their mail ID will be into the single quotes, Ahmed, uh, sorry, Ahmed at gmail.com. Okay, close the bracket and give commas. Okay, next again, go with name Anita and her department is HR, and close the quotes and give her the salary for like 40,000 per month, and her age will be like 30, and her mail ID can be like this, or mail ID can be null for our understanding. So close the bracket and put comma and open the bracket again and go for the name like Hull, and his designation will be like IT, and his salary can be like 60,000 per month, comma his age can be 28, and his mail ID can be like rahul at gmail.com. Okay, and close the bracket and put comma and again go with the name. So after ending my data, I am clicking like I am closing with semicolon. After that, okay, after inserting the data, we can able to see the structure. Like see, so what are the names like ID, name, department, age, salary, and mail, and we can also able to see employees data. Like, see, what are the data we have inserted will be shown here. Like Amit, Anita, Rahul, Suresh, and Anand. And the department will be IT, HR, IT, finance, and IT. And their salaries will be like this. And their ages will be like 25, 30, 28, 35, 32, and respectively. So again, we are going to our SQL theory. So here we are going to use select statement. So select char from employees. So, and then click semicolon and click go. So this will show all columns and all rows from the employees table. So the what are all the data we have inserted will be shown here, and click again SQL and go for the next queries, that is for select specific columns. If you want only specific columns, you can mention their names. So let us select, type select, give name, department, salary, and from should be in caps because that is a query, and use employees CM and click semicolon and click go. So we can able to select some So if you want, means you can delete or you can edit, you can copy, like that you can able to modify it and then click again. So this is for select, and we are going to use where clause. The where clause is used to filter records based on condition. Okay. So type select star from employees, and then in the next line use where. Okay, where department is equal to IT or IT, and then click semicolon and then click go. Okay, so it will be showing us a specific column or specific rows based on our queries. Okay, so here this shows only IT department employees. Okay, so next we are going to use wildcards. Like wildcard is nothing but it is condition for like also. Okay, so wildcards are used with like percentage symbols mean any number of characters. So let us select star from employees, and then the next line select where name, give like that means wildcards, and click or sorry type a and percentage and click and close with semicolon and click go. We can get the names what all in the we have selected what all the names that have the letter A. So let us check for an also. Okay, so same procedure. So select star from employees. In the next line use where name like open with the single quotes and then percentage an. That will be your wish. It can be a caps or small, and close with the, so click go. Okay, so we can get, so no name is started with an. Okay, so now we are going to see what is between operator. So between operator is used to select values within a range. Okay, so let us try for it. So select same star from employees, and then in the next line use where, use salary, and here use between like 40,000 and should be in caps, and 60,000. Okay, close them with a semicolon and click go. So this will show us the values between 40,000 and 60,000. Okay, so this is what between operator is, and then now we are going to see what is about null handling. So exactly, so in SQL null cannot be checked using equal to, so we must use is null. So exactly, so select star from employees. In the next line where email is null. Okay, is null should be in caps. Okay, so click go. So it will show the null values. Okay, so what if email is not null? So same, so come again. Okay, so select star from employees, and then where email is not null. Okay, so click go. So it will show what are all the values that are not null. Okay, so next we are going to see what is testing keyword. Okay, so testing keyword is used to remove duplicate values. So select distinct, use department from employees and click and type semicolon and then click go. So it will show like what are all the duplicate values, but the duplicate values that is repeated is IT, HR, and finance. Okay. So next we are going to use aggregate function. So aggregate functions return a single value from a multiple rows. So let us take, so select count. Okay. Count. It's in the bracket. We are going to use star and then as total underscore employees from employees and then click semicolon. So this is what semi count should be. So click go. So it will show what are all the values that have been counted. So current selection does not contain a unique column or a grid or edit or checkbox. So we can go with the next. Okay. So let us go with the sum. Okay. So select sum of salary, close the bracket, and as total underscore salary from employees and close within the semicolon and click go. So it will show like it will also show current selection does not contain a unique column. So that means the total salary is 26 lakh and 50,000. Okay. So this is what the answer will be. So let us calculate the average values within the query. So select again. So select average salary, close the bracket, and as average underscore salary from employees and click semicolon and then click go. So our average will be like 53,000.000. Okay, then maximum. So how maximum will be working? Same exactly like average also. So select maximum of salary, close the bracket, as highest underscore salary, click from employees and then click go. So the highest salary will be 70,000 as the data we have given. So next, so what if for minimum salary? So same. So select minimum of salary as lowest salary from employees and then close with the semicolon and click go. So the lower salary will be 40,000, right? So next. So what if we want the data to be in this descending order means? So let us select star from employees and then use order by. Okay, so this is what order by can be. Order by salary in DSC, that means descending, and click go. Okay, so it will be in descending order. Descending order means it should be decreased, right? So next, combined query. So combined query in real time example. Now let's write a real time query by combining everything. Okay, so select name, comma salary. So from employees, click where department is equal to within quotes, give IT and close that, and and salary between 50,000 and 80,000. Okay, let us take that 80,000, and then next, order by order by salary in DESC, that means in descending order, and close within the semicolon and then click go. So we can get in the order manner in the descending with the whole data. So that is for today's video on SQL select statement using XAMPP and MySQL. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe. In the next video, we'll cover group by and having in MySQL with the examples in XAMPP. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Thank you.